Hello and welcome to this tutorial stroke discussion on how we can insert a newsletter into the newsletters page. Before we can do this, we need to think about the file type that we'll use for our newsletters. Most newsletters are created in Word or Publisher, and the file types that these applications produce isn't necessarily the best one to use to upload to the web page, because not everybody will have Microsoft Office available to them to download and view these files. So we need to find a file format that everybody is going to be able to have access to, and the PDF format is one that is available for everyone. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, and it is an open standard, and there are a lot of free applications for viewing PDF files and for creating them. Microsoft have made available an add-on for certain versions of the Office, but it's not available for all. So for this reason, we prefer to use Qt PDF Writer. Qt PDF Writer is free. It installs on the computer as a print driver and becomes part of the print subsystem, which means it's then available to any application on your computer that can print, such as Microsoft Word or Publisher. You will obviously need to get any technical support to download and install this program for you, or of course you can do it yourself. But once that's done and you're using Word to create your newsletter and you wish to save as a PDF format, you click on File and Print, and then from the printers available you would choose Qt PDF Writer and then click OK. Now this will not print out on a printer, but will instead be printed to a file, and shortly you'll be given a save requester where you can save your file, and we're saving to the desktop. So once that's saved to the desktop, we can go back to our web page and log in to the newsletter page. Now this website uses WebYep, and WebYep have this idea of the loop, and these 5 icons here represent the loop. And what the loop does is to repeat as many times as you wish a part of the web page. In this instance, it's the attachment icon. The attachment icon will allow you to upload a file to this web page, and it will also create a link to that file. So let's go ahead and create a new element. There we go. So we've created this new element here. It's in the wrong place at the moment. We need it to be at the top of the page, so we'll use the little arrows here to move it up to the top. So now there we have the attachment in the right place. We can click on it, and then we can use the browse button to browse for our newsletter. Then we click the send file button. This will now be uploaded to the web server, and a link will be created for it, and there we are. So we log out of WebYep for a moment. We can see the page as it normally would be viewed, and if we click on newsletter, we will get a box asking us if we wish to open it, and if we do, there is our newsletter. Now after a time, these newsletters will become out of date and need to be replaced. So we just log back into WebYep, and amongst the loop icons we will notice there's a little dustbin or trash can which we can click upon, and that will remove that element from the web page, thus deleting the newsletter. So one final thing that needs to be mentioned is file names. Web servers have a problem with spaces within file names, so it's a good idea to replace any spaces with an underscore or a minus sign. The server actually has to re-encode the file name before displaying it to the user, and this has an impact on how quick the server works. So to help things along, please use underscores or hyphens instead of spaces in your file names. Thank you. This concludes this tutorial on how we can insert a newsletter into the newsletter page.